Ever wondered how the world's most successful people manage to squeeze so much into their days? Well, there's a secret to it, and it's not what you might expect. It's about mastering the art of time management, and today we'll deep dive into this fascinating topic. Think about the last time you had a really productive day. Did you notice how you felt at the end of it, energized, accomplished, and ready to take on the world, right? That's the power of effective time management. It's not just about getting more done, but also about feeling better about the work you do. Time management is a skill that anyone can learn, and it starts with understanding a simple principle. Not all hours are created equal. Some people are most productive early in the morning, others late at night. Recognizing your own peak productivity times is the first step towards managing your time more effectively. Next comes prioritizing. A common mistake people make is trying to do everything at once, but the truth is not all tasks are equally important. Knowing how to prioritize your tasks based on urgency and importance can dramatically improve your productivity. One of the most effective methods for prioritizing tasks is the Eisenhower matrix. Named after the 34th President of the United States, Dwight D. Eisenhower, this method categorizes tasks into 4 quadrants based on their urgency and importance. Tasks are either urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, or neither urgent nor important. By categorizing your tasks this way, you can focus on what really matters, delegate what can be handled by others, and eliminate what doesn't need to be done at all. The final piece of the time management puzzle is setting realistic goals and breaking them down into manageable tasks. This is where the SMART goal-setting method comes in. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By setting SMART goals, you can create a clear roadmap for your day, week, month, or even year. To recap, effective time management involves understanding your peak productivity times, prioritizing your tasks using tools like the Eisenhower matrix, and setting SMART goals. By mastering these skills, you can get more done in less time and feel better about the work you do. Remember, time management isn't about cramming as much as possible into your day. It's about making the most of the time you have. So, the next time you find yourself wishing for more hours in the day, remember these tips and start making the most of the time you have. Your future self will thank you. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies to help you navigate this complex yet rewarding journey of mastering time management. Until then, keep thriving and making every moment count.